My STC app is not updating. Here is the quick fix. So for this, long press on my STC app, tap app info, go to storage usage, clear the cache, clear the data also, tap on OK. Now you are logged out from your my STC account, so you will need to log in again. After that, check your mobile phone storage and delete temporary unused videos, files, apps, photos you have space in your mobile phone, because due to this problem occurred. So after that, restart your phone and also check your internet connection. If it's still not working, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app from Play Store. Completely uninstall the app from here and reinstall it again. So you will have the latest version in your phone.